How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily fix this issue. So if you are trying to log into your WhatsApp account and you're getting this message, this probably means that you have not verified your phone number yet, or your account might have been temporarily locked because you've used other third-party apps on WhatsApp. So what you basically want to do here is tap on the top option to verify your phone number if you haven't already. And once you have verified your phone number, you should try to log back in again. Now, if that doesn't work, then go over to your web browser. And then all you have to do here is simply search for WhatsApp support. Hit enter and then click on the first link, contact WhatsApp. Now just go ahead and click on contact us button for WhatsApp support, and then enter all of your details like your phone number, email address, confirm your email address, and where you are using WhatsApp. I'll select Android and briefly explain that you're not able to log into your WhatsApp even if you request for a verification code. And then just tap on this next step option and send the ticket. Once the WhatsApp help and support team receive your ticket, they should contact you back via your email that you provide up top. So right here, you can provide your valid email address and they'll contact you there. Follow their instruction and you should be able to log into your WhatsApp. And if that doesn't work, then you are going to have to try WhatsApp Business. So go ahead and search for WhatsApp Business and then download the application. Once you install it, try to log in here. You might be able to do so. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.